There's a lady who's sure all that glitters is gold, and she's buying a stairway to heaven. When she gets there, she knows if the stores are all closed, with a word she can get what she came for. And she's buying a stairway to heaven.
This is a story about a girl named Arnold. Early morning, she wakes up, there's a on the door. It's time for makeup, perfect smile, it's the you they're all waiting for. They go, isn't she lovely, this Hollywood girl? Bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond. Shine light like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond.
I never meant to cause you any sorrow. I never meant to cause you any pain. No. I only wanted one time to see you laughing. I only want to see you lie in the purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Oh. Purple rain, purple rain. Friday night and the lights are low, looking out for a place to go. Well, they put down the cookie, Captain in the chopper, you've got to look for a king. Anybody could be that guy. Suddenly I don't know the rhyme. Well, you play the E major and play the sus chord, that is the E F sharp. E F sharp, and if you are gay, I am the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. I'm the dancing queen, feel the beat of the tambourine.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces past and I'm homebound. Staring blankly ahead, just making my way through the crowd. And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you. Sometimes wish I'd never been born at all. ow, ow, ow. The music seems so loud. I wish that we could lose this crowd. Maybe it is better this way. We'd hurt each other with the things we want to say. We could have been so good together. We could have lived this dance forever. But now who's gonna dance with me? Please stop.
Scrawled in blood. What's it say?
You were scared, weren't you?
I wasn't that scared.
Yeah, you were scared. It's close to midnight, and I see boobies lurking in the dark. Under the moonlight, I had so much food that I have to fart. Oh, to dance with somebody. I want to feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I want to dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. Work out with me, yeah, I'ma pump you up. To any man behind him trying to show him love, make sure to stack the place before you pump him up. They gonna watch out when they take you to Pounding Town. So block's full of inmates, who you gonna drop the soap down? Get to the chopper, they gonna get you down. Certified bumper boy, certified rap, I'm so pumped. Rap, I'ma do my stuff. Why you lifting like a girly man? Aren't you tired trying to strike a chord and it's probably a minor? Give it, it's a joke, it's a minor because you know you like they're not like us, no. Bastard! Hold up, hey, for my honor to be thinking we're soft, we don't play. We can rock it till the wheels fall off. Hold up, hey, for my honor to be acting too bold. Take the CA. Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throw them back till I lose count. I going to swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. Can you take me higher? To a place where blind men see. Can